How do you feel about red velvet cake? Devil's food chocolate cake? Pineapple upside down cake? We should probably get together and talk about these things. My name is Dasha Kelly Hamilton. I'm a storyteller, an author, a performance artist, a poet laureate, and a creative change agent. And my touring production, Making Cake, is as much of an experience as it is a show. There'll be stories, there'll be media, there'll be live bakers, there'll be laughs, there'll be interaction, and there'll be a serious conversation about our shared history and our linked futures. And there will be cake. I hope that you'll come join me for a slice.